This morning when you helped me with the garage door up on the ladder.
Yeah.
We gotta try to figure out how this thing comes apart. Let's take the light bulbs out so we don't break them. Okay, that's those four. We're gonna keep those off to the side right away. Now when we take something apart, we're gonna start everything we take apart, we're gonna make it all in a row. So then when we put it back together, we can go the opposite way. And everything's exactly where we left it. Turn it on. Open that hole. What do you see? See something in there? You gotta shine the flashlight in that hole. Do you see something in there?
Yeah. There's
What is it?
a screwdriver.
Is a screw in there?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I thought. Let's take that one out too then. Won't need this then. That's for sure what it is, Kinsley.
Yeah.
Can we try those wrenches on this one right there?
Those are not colors. Those are not pink and purple.
No, not the wires. Line right here and here. Be careful of the Sharpie. Yep, and now one right on this part too, the same way. No, we want one right here. Just like this. Right, now when we put that back together, we're gonna know that this goes right back with that. So these two right here are ratcheting combination wrenches. And these two are just regular combination wrenches.
What's that?
This is a socket, this is an extension, and this is a ratchet. What we're going to do with this is we're going to put this right on these nuts.
That's a big one.
Yep. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, stand up. Keep going. Gotta do it a lot.
It's on my fingers. What? We're getting dirt on
I'm
my.
getting dirty.
We're getting dirty on your
Mom's
shirt.
gonna kick my butt.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's get some of that dirt out of the way. So, I think we can get this out of the way a little bit now. Did that help us? Not much,
Yeah.
huh? You still got that 6mm ratchet? You remember which one's the ratchet?
Yeah. Which one is the
The
one?
ratcheting combo wrench. The 6mm or 8mm.
This one?
Does that one ratchet? Yep. What does it say on there?
Can
It says 5/16 5/16. That one's too big. We need the other one. Is that one a ratcheting combo wrench? Does that have the ratchet in the end? No.
yeah.
We need the other one. That's just a regular combination wrench.
We need that additional one.
Does that one have a ratcheting then?
Yeah.
No.
What's this
You already gave me that one. You need the only one you didn't. Yeah, that one.
This-
That one. So that one's got the ratchet on the end, the combination wrench, and it's an 8mm. And that's what size these are. So we're going to need this guy on here. So we take this little clip off right here. It's like a plasticky clip. And this can come off. We'll put this right back on so we don't lose it.
We will. Yeah.
How does this thing
Yeah.
slide off? There we go.
We got it.
Oh, so that's the shearing point. So that's the thinnest part of the shaft. It's supposed to shear right there instead of breaking something else. So we need to take this.
You're getting dirty on. You can dirty
Yeah, I'm getting real dirty. So I think we need to take this to the hardware store and let's see if they got a replacement.
Okay.
Or we need to order a new one. First we need to go wash our hands.
Okay. But then I'm gonna just wash it out there. We
We'll
have
go to the sink?
yeah.
Okay,
We'll go to the sink.
let's go to the sink. You got the gear?
Huh?
Yeah? Alright, let's go find a replacement. Do you guys remember what all this stuff is?
We
Do you know what
don't
this is?
use these. A wrench.
It's a ratchet.
A ratchet.
A ratchet. Do you remember what this is? This is a socket. Okay, this is a 8mm socket. 8mm is 8
That's a
millimeter.
little one socket.
Your little socket. This is an extension. So this is if you need to get really deep into something to use your ratchet and your socket to loosen up a bolt or a screw or a stud or something like that. Okay? So we got all these fasteners down there. We're going to use the ratchet. And what do you guys remember what this is called?
A screwdriver.
Screwdriver. Yep. Do you know which tip is on here right now? What kind of screwdriver is this? Do you remember?
A tractor screwdriver.
Flathead screwdriver. Right. So then we also have some more bits down here. You remember what this kind of bit is?
That advances.
This is a Phillips.
That's Phillips.
Phillips, because it's got a cross. That's a Phillips.
That's a little tiny.
Technically, this is a number 2 Phillips, but you don't need to know any of that. All right, so here's what we need to do. Whenever we are building runs...
I just tumbled it out my hand and it went right in the garbage.
That's a good throw, bud. So here's our old parts.
Daddy.
What?
Dad, where's our noise? What's that noise?
I think it's the wind outside.
What shot at it? I think it's a wind.
You think it's the wind too?
Yeah, I think it's it.
Okay, let's keep the hair out of your...
lines.
All right, so this is our new parts right here. And we've got the sprocket on the top. And this one doesn't have a shear pin spot on the shaft that necks down like the old one did. But that's all right, it should work just fine, no problem. All right, so these are the old parts.
Oh,
and
it's
what
sticky again, look.
that's
No
okay, bud.
longer.
No, that's normal. That's gonna happen.
But
That's just fine.
I take my gloves off so I can open that. No.
No, we do everything with our gloves on now.
It's
So we
stuck
need to
to my
keep our
finger.
gloves on. Thumb up.
Dad, Dad, I think I know what makes it sticky.
What's that?
What's in that? I put my hands on there once.
I don't think it's sticky. I think that's sweat from your hands that you're seeing.
What?
Yeah, and that's okay.
I'll just see it. But then it'll stick to a glove. This is big.
That's okay.
When I put my hands down and my fingers whole hand, get it and stick it together.
That's okay. Look at Kenzie's. Kenzie's doing. So can I show you something really cool, Kenzie? If we flip this around, then it goes on here. Okay, now rotate it. You hear it ratcheting?
I want to see it. I want to do it.
Okay, gotta hold your finger on there so that it ratchets. If you don't hear it ratchet, that means you're not pushing enough pressure on there. Because it tightens, and then when it ratchets, it lets go, and then it tightens, and then it ratchets, and then it tightens, and ratchets, and tightens, and ratchets.
You can hold mine too.
There you go, Kenz. Want me to hold yours on there too, Claire?
I want to hold your mine. Okay. It's not coming out.
Oh, man.
I got mine's higher.
So, right now, let's talk about match marks. When Kenzie and I took this thing apart, we put a match mark right here, and then we also put, we don't need the grease right now, we put a match mark right there.
So when this one, you want to put that on there, Kens?
Yeah. So.
Okay, now spin it until the lines match up. Do those lines match up? You know which lines we're talking about, bud? Talking about this line right here and that line right there.
That is
Yeah,
it.
so this is where we took this last one off. See all the holes line up? And this is what Kensley and I put on there to take off. So our new one,
Are gonna be like that.
nope, doesn't go like that. Can you put that back on there?
No, I can't.
Not like that. 180. Flip that upside down.
Oh, this is not right.
That's not right.
It'll be.
What do you think? Can you see a match mark on this piece?
No.
Nope. So do you think it's upside down?
Yeah, it is.
It is upside down. That's right. There you go, Kensley. Okay. Now we see a match mark here on the base. Do we see a match mark on the cover? Perfect. So that's how we took it off. Now this new one we want to put on the same way as that one. Okay? So what I see the difference is I see square.
I can hold that for the
Okay. You're gonna hold that.
Square.
Square, square.
Circle.
And circle. Yep. So do you see a square, square, circle on this one?
No. Square.
And the shaft is coming through the circle. Okay, so we need to make sure that we put this one on the same way as this one. So let's look at what else is on there. So if we have our squares in line this way, right? We're gonna have our squares in line on this one. So what other holes, let's go like this. What other holes do we have on here? That's okay, that's what it's for.
1, 2,
then your hands don't get
3,
dirty.
4, 5, 6.
Okay. Now are the holes different, bud?
Oh.
Yeah, that's fine. That's okay. Here, I'll get you.
2 are different. One's different.
Here you go. Wipe your hands on that, Ken.
One's different though.
One's different. Why is it different?
I don't know. Different.
It's got threads in there. Okay, so that one's sticking up proud, where it's sticking up above the flange, and it's got threads, right? Now, if we put,
I don't need any.
you don't need it anymore. Okay,
Yeah.
good. If we take this one and put it right here, is that the exact same? Is there a threaded hole there? Is there a threaded hole here?
No.
No, but there is on this side, right?
Yeah.
So if we turn this thing around like this, now our threaded hole's right there. The same as that one, right?
Yeah.
And then right here we have another hole that's open. And then here we have a threaded hole. And there we have a threaded hole.
And
And right here we have a big hole. And there we have a big hole. Another threaded hole. And another regular hole. So this is the same way as that, right?
Yeah.
So now if we put our match mark right there and there, if we put our match mark over here,
This one's are.
then we know that
Hey.
then we know that this one goes in right here,
Okay. We can attach it.
like that. That's how it goes in. But wait, we gotta find its spot. Happy spot.
Dad, this goes in there. That's not a white spot.
Dad,
Turn it.
where's this
Right
goes in?
So
This goes in
just
there,
no,
Dad.
leave it right there.
Dad, this goes in there.
Nope, this is
But
the
there-
old one, Kensley.
but Dad,
We gotta
look.
put the new one in there.
Yeah, but
Right.
look, there's not holes.
Now I can put
Not
this
holes where?
on.
They're not white.
Now I can put this on, Dad.
Now we got our holes right there.
But
Now
now
it's-
it's like.
No, we're not ready for the grease yet, Kensley. Yeah, the marks match up now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So we are going to need some screws that go into there. And Kensley and I did a good job, and we kept all of our parts in a bag and together, and we stuck all the loose parts back into the piece so we didn't lose them. Just wait a second, Kensley. We
Okay,
gotta find
I'll get the gear.
3 bolts.
We're doing that. That's what's
So we need these 3.
another gear.
another gear.
Oops.
Drop the grease.
Are these gonna be
I think those go in
I got it.
this
I got
side
it, Dad.
from the other side,
I
bud.
got these.
No, yep, I think they go in the other way though. So you hold those three.
This is other gear. That one's other gear. That one's not a bad
That's the old one. That's the broken one.
That one's a broke one.
That's the broken one.
Yeah.
That's right. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to hold this right there.
Me.
No, we're not ready for the grease. You see that last screw way under there? How do we get to that? We can't go from the top with the extension, right? So we got our ratchet. We're going to take the extension off. And then we're going to take the socket off the extension, put the socket on the ratchet. Now look how short it is. Now we can get in there
I can get
and
it.
put that on there. But that one's still too tall. So we're gonna thread this in by hand as much as we can. And that's, what's the number on here again? On the socket? 8 mm.
I hear that
8 millimeters.
noise.
So now
What is that noise?
and do we have
Dad, Daddy, who's making that noise?
I don't know. I didn't hear a noise. Do we have an 8 millimeter combination wrench?
Carter, who's making that noise?
I don't know. Do we have a combination wrench with an 8 mm on it? Right in front of you, Carter? I think we do, right there. So now, we need to ratchet that one. Nope. Kenzie, don't touch those. Dad doesn't know how to fix those. Okay, so now we're going to tighten this last screw.
But there's one more. Ooh,
One more. That's this one.
but there's one in the back of it. I see one in the back of it.
You see another screw?
Yeah, the back right there.
Didn't we do that one already?
Yeah. Tightened.
It's tight. Yeah.
We think we got God, my head needs to go up. So we have to go. Dad, I'm gonna
Okay,
make.
can you tighten that one, Carter?
But I want down. I want to do.
Hey, take turns, guys. Carter do a couple, Kenzie do a couple. Silly
Yeah,
goose.
I have special now.
Guys, we need to finish this project first. You guys talking about special snacks already. Jeez. Okay,
Yeah.
now we have these 4 screws that go into here. That's not it.
First off, it's
This is gonna...
nice. Carter, do a plastic. No, stop
Hey,
it.
hey, hey, hey. Okay, can you guys help me do these last 4 screws?
Stop
Hey,
it.
why are we picking on each other and why are we hitting?
Carter, stop
Hey,
it.
if you guys can't be nice, we're gonna go inside. Stop.
Carter's not stopping.
Hey,
Doing this
hey.
one, can we saw me?
Let's take a beat. Let's figure this out, okay? Hey, we don't pick on each other and we don't hit, okay? That's not nice. I don't like that.
I didn't
You understand? No, I know it. Kenzie, you understand that? We gotta be nice.
Dad.
We be nice always.
I hear the
Yeah, but
noise.
don't do that. You're gonna
It's
fall.
come from outside.
Well, that's the wind.
go.
That's the wind. You need to listen when I'm talking to you, babe.
Yes. It's storm. It's coming.
It's coming. The storm is coming.
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay. Carter,
And the
can you
cat.
tighten that screw
I'm
right
gonna
there?
go sleep.
You remember which way's ready? That's loosening. There we go. Righty tighty. You're going to the right. You remember which way is right? Nope, that way's left. Yeah, that way's right. So you want the top to be going to the
I
right.
hear the storm. Tight. I hear it. Very
You
tight.
go all the way down until it doesn't go anymore. Then we're going to do the rest with a wrench.
I hear it, Dad.
Yep, that's the wind. I think that's coming in the...
I think
wind
that's.
is
I
in the
can't do
house.
my finger. I think that's the storm. It's coming.
Storm coming?
Yeah.
I don't know about that,
I
but
think it's coming.
maybe.
Yeah, it is coming because the storm's coming.
Okay, pop quiz. What is this?
a storm is coming.
A wrench it.
A ratchet. Yep. What's this?
Dad, can you hold me?
An extension.
And a
You got it.
socket.
And a socket.
And you come with me.
Where are we going? We're doing this. We gotta finish this one.
But you have to come.
No. We're not gonna. We're gonna finish this project.
We're gonna try to get secret snacks.
That's what her trying to tell there.
Dad, I tried to show that noises.
Oh,
No,
don't worry about the noise, Kens. That's okay. We don't need the noise right now.
And I was talking about secret snacks. I heard it and I was not talking about it.
Carter, don't talk about secret snacks right now.
Secret snacks.
Carter, stop. No talk. Carter, don't talk about secret snacks.
Secret snacks.
No,
You
don't.
said it. And I beat you.
Carter,
Secret snacks. Secret snacks. Secret snacks.
no, stop it.
Hey,
Don't talk.
are we picking
No,
each other again?
no,
Listen.
I'm just going like
Hey,
this.
if we can't be
I'm
nice
trying
and kind,
to stop
we're
her.
going inside. Listen to me, guys. Hey, Kensley, if we can't be nice and kind, we're going inside, okay?
We do have some projects to do
We have,
inside.
yeah, we have lots of projects to do, and they're so much fun. But we can't do projects if we're not going to
There's
be
some
nice.
up on top of
can
a day
I
that I saw some.
You sure can. I need you to do this one right here, Kens. Hey, did you hear what I was saying about being nice and kind? Yeah, look at me when I'm talking, please. Look at me. We need to be nice, okay? Carter, you need to be nice.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. Can you put the socket on that screw right there?
That's not fitting.
It's not fitting. There you go. Okay. Now nice and smooth. Yep. Perfect.
Now it's your turn.
Nope, Kenzie, you get to do this whole one because Carter's going to do the next whole one. Nice and smooth. No, big strokes. Yep. Perfect. Just like that, Kensley.
Do it long.
You're
go
doing
like
so
this
good.
High. Do it
You're
like
doing
this
so
high.
good. Nope, not like that.
This far.
I guess.
That's too much. I think you just want to go from like here, pull, and there, pull, there, pull. Not fast like that, Kenzie. You're going to break something. Stop. Okay. Then we're all done if you're not going to listen, Kenzie. We got to go nice and smooth. Okay. We don't want to break anything. Yep, there you go.
Dad, look, I'm
There
sitting
you
on
go.
one
These are
foot.
very small
Dad,
screws. So
Daddy,
I want you to do
you want me to do it? Okay. So
Daddy.
the reason we yeah, bud.
Hold it. Hold this and do it.
I'm sitting on one foot.
Wow. Oh, you got some good
I'll
balance.
hold this
I
part.
wouldn't balance on a stool
I'll
like
hold
that.
this part and you do that.
Okay. I wouldn't balance on a stool like that because you
Dad?
could fall down and then get big owies.
Dad?
You gotta have 2 feet when you're on a stool. You can balance on 1 foot when you're on the ground, but not when you're on the stool.
Okay.
Okay.
And our stools.
Okay, this one's Carter's turn.
No, I want
Kensley,
to do
it's
it.
not your turn. You did the last one.
Okay, I'll
No, you don't touch it, Kensley. It's Carter's turn. Stop it, Carter. Kensley, I'm not gonna ask you again. That's not nice. You did the last one. It's Carter's turn. Please listen, Kensley. Kensley, is it nap time? That's not nice. You don't break something just because you're not happy. That's not nice. Kensley, then you're done. Stop right now. I don't like that. You gotta be nice. Don't mess around when you're on the stool. We don't hit timeout now. Carter? Okay. Take your gloves off. We're all done with the projects now. Let's go inside. Yep, for everybody. Kenzie's hitting. We're all done.